Hello everyone, it is that time of the month when we get to do our unboxing for Sonia and my Young Living Essential Rewards orders that came through. So I'm going to go through a few of these for you, and hopefully you can get a sense of some of the stuff that works well for us and that I use. So first one on the list here is Sulfurzyme, and it's probably backwards for you. Sulfurzyme is something that both Sonia and I take every day, just a teaspoon or a little bit of it either with Ningxia Red or with water. Really just, it's a dietary supplement, and it's yummy. So that's our Sulfurzyme. We each got one of those on each of our orders. Next is BLM. For those of us that work out, I know this is one that's super helpful if there's any time where we get a little bit uncomfortable in some of our maybe knee or elbow or shoulder. So that's a good one, BLM. And that's a pill. Thyramen, this is not mine, this is Sonia's, so very good for thyroid, but I'm gonna leave it at that. We also have Alkalime, and this one's a fun one. If you've never had Alkalime, you gotta try this. It's almost as fun to prepare as it is to drink. It's really good, but it's also really fun to prepare. Also just helps from a dietary perspective. We do this one daily as well.
Why is it fun to prepare?
It's fun to prepare because it fizzes. It's like Christmas. You put it in some water and it bubbles and grows, and then once the fizz is gone, then you drink it, it's yummy.
Or it's comical watching your wife trying to do a small...
Funny when Sonia puts it in too small of a jar and it overflows.
Yeah.
The next one is Thieves Hard Lozenges. So these are great, and if you want just a boost, if you want to be kind of just a quick wake up, these are a little bit powerful, but we like these a lot. Usually each morning when Sonia and I work out, she'll put one of these in her mouth when she's working out, and it just helps. I do that periodically. What else do we have here? We have Super B. Super B is another great vitamin supplement. We take one of these every day as well. So this is like the month of wellness and health. This is great. We also have Life 9. Keep it refrigerated once you open it, but this is a great probiotic supplement. So these are perfect. Just take one each day. I think that there's instructions on it whether you're supposed to take it before or after a meal, but a really good help for a probiotic and just the digestive tract. These don't last very long in our house, the Vitality Drops. In fact, you're supposed to just do like one small squirt. I think Connor ends up using the majority of this and may not necessarily just do one small squirt. But this is really good. If you haven't tried this before, this is like some of the Powerade flavored drink type stuff, but doesn't have some of the garbage in it and is yummy. The kids love it. This one is actually a lavender lemonade, which sounds maybe interesting at first, but it's really good. So we've got a few of those on our order this month. We also have the world's best deodorant, Meadow Mist. I am so sad that they're not extending this or not going to continue to make this. So if you don't like this stuff and you have it, let me know. I'll take it from you. I love this deodorant. This is the best deodorant. And we stocked up because they are going to stop producing them. So we got 4 of those this month for me. 5 of them this month for me. And my son took one. He likes them also. The rest of the oils in here as part of our monthly order, Citronella. This is I love the smell of citronella. This was one of our promos that we got for our order that we placed this month. So citronella, I know some people know that that's used to help ward off mosquitoes. I think it's found in some of the bug and insect repellent, but citronella is a fun one. We also got Cool Azul. So this is also part of the promo, and Cool Azul can be used for some of the discomfort again with body and the body wherever you need a few drops of this, and it's really relieving. Peace and calming, maybe one of the reasons that people got into Young Living in the first place, stress away and peace and calming for their lives. This is one that I love the smell of. Just make sure you don't diffuse it at night, because sometimes it's a stimulant and not necessarily just a relaxant. Even though it says peace and calming, it can kind of do both, but at the same token we love it. Also part of the promo for this month, Kunzia. It's a fun one to say. I can't tell you what it's for, but it was a promo, so it's a good one. Sonia will catch you up on that one. What else? We have Palo Santo. Also, this one's pretty. I don't know what this one's for. I want to say that this one's more...
It's the cousin of frankincense.
It's
I
the
love it.
cousin of frankincense, and Sonia loves it, so it's good.
It smells like licorice.
Sonia thinks it smells like licorice. Ginger, the vitality oil, that's a fun one. We've used that in some recipes. It's really good if you're maybe feeling a little bit queasy. That's a great oil. And finally, my favorite, Digize. This is one that can be applied orally, and the vitality version is great for ingesting. So that's what our monthly ER orders were. We did get the blanket that some of you have seen that's at home. Sorry, I forgot that. But take a look, share what you got in your Young Living ER orders for this month, and have a great day.